Christ. No, that boy, let's go fast. Let's go fast.
Come here. Drop it. What do you think you just did?
I know the
It's something.
With your talking.
You think I know see what you did?
Look at this boy.
Is something wrong with you? Now you better defend that person. Just look at how you
Where is person?
don't want them to revel.
Come here. See.
Do you think I'm playing?
Is something wrong with you?
Oh God, Desmond, this boy wants us to call the vigilante.
I said defend that person.
Be fast before we carry you to the police station now.
Don't want them to revive him.
You want to run? You want to run? Wait, this boy is playing. Desmond, let's see this boy. Let's be fast.
Hey, revive the person,
What did I do?
Bring this boy.
I don't do anything.
Revive that person.
Look at this little boy.
Is something
Want
wrong
to
with
take
you?
human life and go free.
I said revive that person.
Leave him. Now revive that person.
Are you reviving him? Yes or no?
See, you think I'm joking here, ba?
This is the last one. I'm not joking with you here.
Hey, revive that person.
Revive him.
This is grassy one, man. Jesus Christ.
So this is what you do like.
Come here.
When you think you're going to, hey,
Come
young
here.
man, you do,
What?
Do you know?
you see, you people are into the things of the world. You cannot see this small boy the time he told you.
Look at how old you are. How old are you?
You know him.
Yes, of course, I know him.
This is why I turned you into orange in a tray.
See, they can lie. They can lie.
Yeah, you are saying we are lying. Something else. See, you are taking him to station.
Why should I do that? Why is that for me? I don't understand.
This boy turned you into a tray of orange.
What's up? Is that what I said? Is it true? No, it's not good possible.
You are lying.
I can only because what's up?
When you go to the station, you go and explain for them better. Come here. What is what? Carry that one to the station. Carry it to the station, my friend. Carry explain better. I said, keep quiet, my friend. I said, keep quiet.
Take it easy.